Dear viewers, are you looking to add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your home? Look no further than the art of door carving. From intricate floral patterns to geometric designs, door carving offers a unique way to enhance the aesthetic appeal of any space. One of the most fascinating aspects of door carving is the variety of techniques that can be used to create stunning designs. Whether it's hand carving or using modern tools, the possibilities are endless. The craftsmanship and attention to detail that goes into each carved door is truly remarkable. Not only does door carving add beauty to a space, but it also adds a sense of history and tradition. So next time you walk through a beautifully carved door, take a moment to appreciate the artistry and skill that went into creating it. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring design ideas.